SeaArt AI is an AI-powered art generation platform that allows users to create images from text descriptions. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. Core functionality. It primarily focuses on text-to-image generation, meaning you can input a textual prompt, and the AI will produce a corresponding image. It also provides features such as AI face swapping, AI model try-on, and AI character creation. Key features: wide range of styles. SeaArt AI supports diverse artistic styles, including anime, realistic, and abstract. User-friendly interface. It aims to be accessible to both beginners and experienced users. Model training. Users can train custom AI models to achieve specific artistic styles. Community features. It includes community aspects where users can share and interact with generated art. AI tools. They also provide tools such as AI image upscalers and AI erasers. Accessibility. It's available through web platforms and mobile apps. It offers free credits to new users, allowing them to explore its capabilities. Technology. SeaArt AI utilizes advanced AI algorithms and machine learning models to generate images. It also uses cloud services to help with the processing power needed to run its AI. In essence, SeaArt AI is designed to make AI-generated art accessible to a broad audience, enabling users to bring their creative visions to life.